Here's the Aero Swiss in action, and we've got it helping our plants. And the reason we purchased the Aero Swiss this winter was because of the extreme dry conditions that we've been having. On the outside, I've got a relative humidity indicator, and as you can see, it's right around 16%, and the temperature's around 21 degrees. So with those kind of conditions, it really helps to have something add some moisture for your furniture, for your plants, for just all around living. We chose Aero Swiss and we really love it.
Okay, here we have the Aero Swiss Advanced Air Treatment System. It's an ultrasonic humidifier, and it has controls right here. This control is on/off, so we'll turn it on, and you can see that it's generating plenty of steam. And the second button right here is the amount of humidity that you want. You can set it for 60, 65, 70, 75, and then 40, 45. I usually like to set it at 45%. This is for a timer if you want it to go on and off at a certain time. This here is how much output you want it to have. You can have it maximum output or minimum output or something in between. I like to keep it right below the red. And then this one here is for this indicator here, showing that it's heating the air as it comes out. You can turn that off or turn that on. And then this is for auto sleep. You can set the timer when you want it to go on and go off. It is a terrific humidifier. It is extremely quiet, and I can't tell you how it has improved our living conditions here over the winter. It turns on and off with the humidity. Like I said, when it reaches 45% relative humidity, it turns off, and then it constantly monitors the amount of humidity in the room. So this is the Swiss Air Advanced Air Treatment System, and it is a ultrasonic humidifier. I can show you some of the features of the humidifier, the Aero Swiss. When the water comes down or you want to add more water, all you do is turn it off and then remove this top funnel. Oh, it comes right out like that, and it has a handle right here so that you can pick it up and then take it in where you can get to the bottom of it. And it has a screw top with a filter. Has a filter, and add the water, and then replace the filter. And then put it back on the unit. Now, here's the base unit, and every 2 weeks a red light will come on right here, and it shows a little toothbrush, and the red light comes on right above it. And what that means is every 2 weeks it wants to be cleaned from the debris that's inside. Now, they give you a toothbrush or a brush, and as you can see, there's some dirt, and you should really take this and dump it out and clean out the debris that's in there. And then they have a hydro stick. Now the hydro stick is this thing. All right. Now this thing cost me about $30, and this has to be replaced once a year. And the hydro stick just looks like a piece of plastic, actually, and it's located right here. So you can just pull this thing out, and it's got some sort of a chemical inhibitor in there that lasts for a whole year. And you just stick it in there, and once a year, and you're good to go for a year. Also, once a year, they want you to replace the filter. That's the filter that screws into the water tank. So this cost right around $16 plus tax, and so once a year you do that also. So you just need these two things, which are once a year products, and then clean this out with the brush every 2 weeks, and take that, dump it out, and you're ready to go. But the thing is amazing. It is so quiet and puts out so much humidity and runs automatically. It's one of the best investments I've ever made, and I'm probably going to get another one next year, so we'll have two. It would probably do what does about half our house, and our house is about 1,500 square feet, so it'd be nice to put one in the bedroom and then another one here for the plants. And that's it. It's the AeroSwiss Advanced Treatment System, and it's a humidifier that's an ultrasonic type. That's about it. Enjoy. Bye.